this video, we'll be constructing circles related to triangles. Under that, first we are going to construct the circumcircle of a triangle, or you call it the circumscribed circle. To construct the circumscribed circle, first you have to draw any type of a triangle. I'm going to draw an acute angle triangle and name its sides as A, B and C. Now you have to construct the perpendicular bisectors of any of these two sides. There are three sides in a triangle and you can select any of the two sides and construct the perpendicular bisectors. Here I have selected the side AC and this is how you are going to construct the perpendicular bisector. So then I am going to select this side AB and construct the perpendicular bisector of the side AB. Name the intersecting point as O, and you can construct the circumcircle by taking the center as O, and you can take the radius of the circle as OC, OA or OB because they all are equal. Now you can construct the circumcircle of this triangle. So our next construction is construction of the incircle of a triangle. In order to do this, first we are going to draw any type of a triangle as before, and I name the three vertices of the triangle as ABC. To construct the incircle of a triangle, you have to construct the angle bisectors. So if I select this angle ACB, this is how we are going to construct the angle bisectors. So this will be the angle bisector of angle ACB. Now you can select any of the two remaining angles and construct an angle bisector. Constructing angle bisectors we have learnt in the previous session. So this is the angle bisector of angle BAC. Now you have to name this point as, I'm going to name it as P, and now you have to take this P as an external point and you have to construct the perpendicular to any of these three sides. This is the external point and you have to construct the perpendicular to a given line, straight line segment. So I am going to select this straight line segment AB and I am going to construct the perpendicular. So this will be the perpendicular. Now you can name this intersecting point as Q. Now taking the center as P and the radius as Q, you can construct the incircle of this triangle. So this will be the incircle of this triangle. So our next one is construction of the excircle of a triangle, or you call it the ascribed circle. If I draw a triangle and name it as XYZ, to construct the excircle you have to extend two sides of this triangle. So I'm going to extend this side xz and the side xy. The x circle will touch all these three sides. That is what you call the x circle. Now, in order to construct this x circle, first you have to construct the angle bisector of this exterior angle. This will be the angle bisector, and you have to construct the angle bisector of the other exterior angle. So this will be the angle bisector. Now if I name this point as O, you have to construct the perpendicular to the straight line segment XZ by taking the external point as O. The external point will be O, and you have to construct the perpendicular to this straight line segment through O. So this is how I am going to construct the perpendicular. That of course we learned it in the previous session. This will be the perpendicular. Now if I name the intersecting point as P, you can take O as the center and OP as the radius. You can construct the X circle of this triangle. This is the X circle of the triangle.